had these wheels. These wheels are from my dog Chuck. Rest in peace, Chuck. They came off of his Suburban. I've been holding on to them for that long, actually. I just stuck them on there and trying to get Shorty to drive the truck. We'll see if she will or not. Wants to take it down the road. I don't want to let her. We need some exhaust bad. I ain't for sure what it's gonna do. The brakes go out, or you know what I mean? Go where and turn around? I don't know how much gas is in it. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. Listen to that. Heavy foot. Holy. First ride, the first drive. Shorty Doo-Wop put the first drive, y'all, on the OBS. She was determined, and I don't have a strap. I don't have my hand to go pull her back if need be. She don't even have her phone to tell me. Let me go out here and see. It sounds like it's still running. I don't know if it's shifting gears though. Did it shift gears? We are in the green OBS. That bad boy try to yank steering wheel out of my hand. OBS, y'all. Shorty Doo-Wop. Nothing fancy is the name. We got a bad tire. Need to put a little more power steering fluid in it, I guess. This is a 4L60 out of a 95 Impala SS. Y'all see I changed the wheels because we couldn't change them, or we couldn't, I couldn't steer it before. There is a wire dragging, that's the old stuff. Needs some exhaust. There's a couple things it needs, man, but we're gonna see how she do. We're gonna see how she do. Oh, good gracious. Good gracious. She makes a lot of noise, but she ain't going nowhere. She has one heavy foot. Look at that tire, it's shot. Wheel bearing might be shot, I don't know. Change the mirror, change the seats, put a flip in the back, which I do have. I hadn't noticed bed cover now.
Where'd you get that?
Wow, man.
Wow, man.
He's been holding on to this bed cover for 7 years for me. I had a truck just like this 7 years ago. Yes, the recipe. Turbo. I used the recipe from Sloppy Mechanics. And built a turbo OBS truck.
Beans. The more you eat. Anyway. As far as I'm going, Swaps. Change first gear. Two. Now we see nothing but beans, baby. We got the beans, baby. Beans and rock water. He's so pretty. He's hard-headed as all get out, but he's pretty. I think he's about to try to take a dump, maybe. Nope. I hear him coming. I hear him. Look over the beans and see if you see the little turquoise. I hear him coming. Oh, oops. Beans in the Chevy. Heavy Chevy. Real heavy. I'm gonna try to burn out. Swaps. The GOAT, huh? Huh? Yeah. You toot your horn. Toot it. Just toot it.
I'm doing something.
If you don't, I will. It's okay. I'll toot your horn, baby. Toot toot.
Truck took the V6. Shorty did walk, took the V6 out. Cars back up. I do have a charging issue. I'm not sure what it is still yet.
The alternator.
Good oil pressure. My gas gauge is not hooked up because I do have a 98 OBS tank in here, and their plug-in is different. My temp sensor, I need to get a 3-wire temp sensor from an LS1, and then that'll work. And
tell us about these rims.
Cedo works. The rims are from my dog Chuck, my brother, man.
Oh yeah. What? We're gonna cut this out the video anyway. We're gonna cut that all the way out.